here's my fire alarm collection. Most of you have not seen yet. There's only three alarms that you've seen. Gamewell Firebox, Simplex True Alert, don't remember the model number, but I will. And then the EST Integrity 867, where is it? 867 STRC N5. Next up is a Simplex T-Bar. Yes, this is broken. One of my friends accidentally pulled it the wrong way and it went backwards. But it still works. It is a 2099 97.95. And then this one's an addressable version. I have two of these. These are not up for sale. This one is also 2099 97.95. But this one is an addressable one. So that's why. So I got two of these and then one of these. Actually, I have two of these, I think. But yeah. Two of these, but the other one is just the casing. The switch is missing. So, and I got an SPO and a DPO. I'll be pulling them for people who want to see. There's a switch inside of it. And it's pretty cool because the switch is inside. See? I'd want to hurry this up to take. I have to start whatever. You probably know how this one already works because my battery's low and I have to go to camp soon. So this is gonna take a while. Okay, in this mess we have a Simplex. Here's the one. This is a 4904 9168. Next up is a system sensor duct detector, model number D4120. And right under my EAS, well, actually right under my, above my EAS drawings. Oh yeah, and I lied. I have 3 T-bars, but this one's a 42 5120, I think. Simplex True Alert 4904 9354. This one's a white one. So I have 2 versions. I saw this kid that has like more than this many alarms. Here's a standard. This is just the casing also, no switch. Which I kind of want to switch, so I can put it in this. And then a Mirtone 73204, made November of 1987. And this one, you don't need any keys to reset. So this means if someone pulls it on purpose, you can like reset it like this. Reset it. Take this cover off, and then if you're gonna get one of these, and then just pull this up, and then snap the cover on the right way. There. And the pull down thing kind of slides down. It's annoying. Only another user has one like that, but it has English and Spanish on it. Well, what the heck? Edwards heat detector. Honeywell. I bet a lot of people thought this was a. When I first opened it up, I'm like, whoa, this is a Honeywell? I thought it was Chematronics. For people who want to see the Honeywell thing, sure. Automatic fire detector. Honeywell Incorporated. Arlington HTS ILL, whatever that means. Rate of rise in feet 135 degrees, blah, 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 blah. So all of these are Honeywell. Wow. You may be thinking, wow, I thought they were Chematronics for the fire alarm people. What? And this is a system sensor. This one's a... What?
It's hot.
Okay. Sorry. System sensor, this one's photoelectric. Model number 2112-24. This one. All of these work. Well, I don't know about this. I know that doesn't work because it's just a housing. This or this. The only ones I know that work are the heat. I don't even know about the heat detectors since they were in my dad's shop along with this security panel. Hey, Felix. This works along with the two Edwards poles and the Simplex T-bar. For some reason, when you hook it up, it is wired backwards. So you have to pull it down to silence the alarms. And I got this fake rip-off Spectral Alert. Yeah. This also works too. I tried it with that. There's 3 tones. Okay. Here's the other casing that I was talking about. See how it has no switch? That's because the switch is missing. It's got a missing switch. This is a Firewolf. It's hidden. Oh, I see it. It's hidden right here. You can't see it, but if I go into the light, it says Firewolf. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it right now. Firewolf by Napco, and then there's a picture of a wolf. Pretty hard to see, but my grandpa has a couple of these in his house. They're still on the ceiling. Here's like a kind of German push station. It's weird. It's got the same thing as the German push stations. Goes on this back box. I got some weird alarms. First alert, CL alarm. Or CM. That's really carbon monoxide. Okay, people are wondering, why is it gold here? That's because some of the paint on this kind of got chipped off. Because me decided to draw like a little ring, a black line around the middle of it. Because there's these mirror tone heat detectors that have that. Oh my god, you just dart out in front of you. That's why I stepped on your paw. Yeah, I stepped on his paw this morning. By accident. Another Honeywell. I have 3 of these. Hold on. Get this stuff off me. Huge giant transistor that's 350 volts. Capacitor. This is a 20. I think this is a 29019806 light plate. It has to be because if you look, it's got this. And then it came with this 29019833 horn. It's a Simplex Gardener mass. So they're on each other. Usually when you have light plates, you mount horns like this one onto it. And so, I've never seen these in a building before. But, yeah, move the wires out of the way. It's kind of like that. Damn. It's got a huge coil. And, well, that's up. Or, maybe. Whoa! Fire-X smoke detector, and there's a carbon CO alarm down there, along with the Edwards. This dead Edwards bell that came from the same shop. Backplate mount. You're gonna fall! And then that. Felix, you're gonna fall! This cat does not know what. This cat does never listen. Hold on. Let's he thinks he's gonna make it. No. I'm gonna get him down before he falls. I don't care. You're not gonna make it. Ugh. Ugh. I can throw this back on the point thing. Put this to the side. And then put the cameras back in. Do it. And look at that. I just knocked over some things. There's a little more detailed look at the panel. Okay, here's some Western Electric telephone bells that came from the same shop, along with this alarm thing, strobe, and a little siren inside of it, branded by Moose. Oh yeah, and the smart thing, this came from inside of it. I remember Loki with this. And I throw it across the room and she would go after it.